Welcome to Xào Studio, where every idea is stirred to perfection and seasoned with a bold taste of creativity. We believe a strong brand begins with a great story, and we're here to bring that story to life. At Xào Studio, we offer 4 core services. Brand identity design, marketing collateral, video production editing, personalized design. From the very first idea to the final touch, we work closely and refine every detail, because we believe that precision creates difference. At Xào Studio, we don't just design visuals, we craft emotions, and express the true essence of your brand. Discover more at xawstudio.com across all our digital platforms.